Hi, my name is Lori Miller, and this is Bio 240 at APU's. Today's date is January 14th, 2018. Today's assignment is how to digitally label and copy pictures and post them. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I downloaded our lab report here, and these are the photos that we have to digitally label. The first one that I'm going to take is the pituitary gland. So what I have to do is first enable editing, and then I get the picture. I right click it, and then I go to copy. Okay. In order to take this out, I also right click it again and I cut it out. So now it's left with a blank space until I fill mine's in. I minus this down and then I go to Microsoft Paint. I use Paint. I find it useful for me. I'm not that computer literate, so but I'm able to use Paint, and so that's what works for me. I go onto Paint and I hit paste. Once I click paste with my left click, voila, here's the image. It's still a little bit small, so I'm going to enlarge the image so we can see it. Then I go up here to the box. There's different shapes, there's lines, there's arrows. So I'm going to choose the line, and I'm going to find my Cetaphil. I know from the slide and in my reading, the Cetaphil was stained with red. So I'm going to look, come in a little bit. And bring in my line a little bit, as I don't need it that long. But you do what's comfortable for you. Once I'm completed there, I go to the A right here. And when I click on the A, that allows for text. It creates a box. So I'm going to slide my box a little bit away from my line. And so I'm going to write a Cetaphil. I didn't have enough space for my box, so that's where that went. You can make it smaller, and because I enlarged the picture, it also enlarged my fonts for writing. So I'm gonna minus that down, and it brings it back to the 12th font. And to see that, when I right click, it labels it as Cetaphil. So then I'm going to label the basal cell, and the basal cell was stained with a blue stain. So I'm going to enlarge my picture again so I can have a better sighting of it. I'm going to go up to the line, and then I'm going to drag the cursor, left click it, create a box with, go to the letter A, come back down to my line, create a box using left click and writing in basal cell. Basophil, sorry, not basal cell. Gonna minus it back down. I'm gonna right click it And there we go. Now I have my basal cell down. I'm going back to enlarge it again so I can have a better view of my picture. And then I'm going to label the posterior. I'm going to label my nucleus of the pituitary. So I'm going to look at my slide here a little better. Grab a line up here again. Label it. Click. Right click. Go to the A. Open a box up with a left click and then type in nucleus. Of T-U-I-C. I'm going to right click it and it takes that box away. And now I'm able, my lab and picture is labeled. Then for me, I go to, you could do two things. I go to my little file here because I'm going to copy my picture. And I go to file and I file it and save it. Once I save it, then I'm able to upload it and put it in my Word document. This concludes my how I label for Bio 240 for APU. Lori Miller, thank you.